Hi guys! A lot of people are having trouble in creating consistent characters for their images or videos. In this video, I will share 2 easy ways for creating consistent characters or influencers, and they work on both PC and mobile devices. Method 1. Hit PowerPhoto for PC. It is a powerful desktop software combining photo enhancing, image generation and photo editing functions. You can find the official access link in the description. We want to go to the toolbox and use the AI generator. It supports text-to-image, image-to-image, and various viral templates. Let's start from the very beginning by creating a character first. Click on text-to-image. We want to write the prompt here and describe the character we want. And you can select different models to use. Then click on Generate. Here are some portraits image of the character I create. Next, we want to use one of the images as reference. Take this image for example. Save it on your device. Then click on Image to Image. Import the image. Then describe the prompt again. We can describe what the character is doing, like making the character in dress with a bedroom background. Then click on Generate. There we can successfully create consistent characters in new images. We can tell that the character remains consistent in these examples. You may try different prompts to get various scenes. After that, we want to further enhance them to 4K resolution. Click on the AI Upscale button. Here we can easily crop or edit the images. Using the models on the right settings, we can even upscale them to ultra high quality. Let's zoom in to take a closer look at what improvements the enhancement can do. Really amazing and bring the details to the next level, making it stand out and more suitable for sharing. Method 2. AI Marvels for mobile. It is a perfect app for creating high-quality AI images and videos in seconds. Firstly, we want to tap AI Lab, then tap Oral PS. It allows us to import image and use prompt to edit the image. Let's use the character again. Tap Submit. Then we can easily generate a new image with the same character, looking really awesome. We can also bring the photo to life by tapping the purple button here, and it creates a very natural and smooth video for us. Besides that, there are a great amount of image and video templates inside the app. We can directly use the templates and it saves time and energy so that we don't need to write the prompt. The character remains consistent with different makeup and scenes. There are more viral and trending AI video templates in the app. Feel free to explore it yourself. Alright, that's the share for this video. Hope it helps. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more AI contents and tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.